welcome to what amounts to football heaven. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue, and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much, and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being able to...
Thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground, they come back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well built.
Buriram United take the lead, landing the first significant blow in what is certainly a significant contest. Boyos. Progress is made on the ball. Where to next? And helps available out wide. Now it goes for goal! And they're at it again in double quick time.
The first touch was absolutely heavenly, and because of it, the finish was a mere formality.
Buriram United get themselves a 2-goal cushion.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Boyos.
Boyos really was well marshalled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn.
Definitely done. The result, that is a foul. Well, you might think he got off lightly. It is just a verbal warning. Knocks it in gently. Goalkeeper's ball. Soric. Roca. Good idea, just poorly executed. Just ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Giorza gets it back. Paris Saint-Germain disappointing in the end there. They lack urgency. Castledine goes for goal! Good try. The outcome could so easily have been different.
Castledine certainly could have and should have made more of that.
Keswick. Roca. Bassano goes looking. Looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. He's gone out of play. Castledine. Massive scoring skills have already been evident. He's made sure that that won't get through. Roca. Casil. Roca. It's Van Mata. Schipper.
the final action of the first half. The first half thoughts? Buriram United just nil, and they are looking good.
That's the start of the second half. Sudden. Lifting it over. It's a brilliant interception. Forward it goes. Ericsson. Vasil. Soric. Vasil. Soric. Soric plays it forward. He's got options out wide. He gets past his man. That looks a foul. The referee's given it. There could be trouble here. So now the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket. Saloon can hoist it clear. Now it's Amrabat. Amrabat's cross. No, that's not the ball he wanted. Dinks one in. Let's the player in. A minor communications breakdown. Mata. Vasil. It is a foul. That's the talking to, I think. Yes, it is. Buriram United with a chance here to increase their lead. We all love a player, Peter, but the wiser choice would have been ball into the box. Asano. That's a decent ball. Oh, real chance! Toyos. Asano. Now it's Amrabat. Sticks it up to win it back. There's one matter. Instant court. Just 5 minutes left. Manas tries to win it back. Hoists it forward. Ericsson. Asano. And it's played forward. Danger averted for now. And with that, the final whistle. Buriram United was victorious here. And it's